There are several ways to get Anvil to send unexpected or invalid results, which is useful for negative testing. In this video, we're going to look at how to override report control block options. If we look at Anvil and find a report control block, in the Properties panel, we can see the optional items to include in the report. And below that, we have the option of overriding those optional items. So let's start with the default, and then we will come back and override some and look at the result. So first in Anvil, I'm going to start simulating data. Then in Hammer, I'm going to enable the report control block. Before I do that, notice that the information reports is grayed out, but when I enable the report control block, this now changes color and indicates that we have information reports available. I'm going to expand this over so we can see it a little more clearly. So now we can see the reports. Notice the sequence number is continually incrementing. And let's expand the timestamp where we can see that a little better. Now let's go back to Anvil. I'm going to enable overrides. I'm going to pretty much mimic the correct report. Except I am not going to send the timestamps. So now when we look back in Hammer, we see the reports are coming in, but no timestamp is being reported. If I go ahead and report those here, now we see they are reported again. So another example, we will not report the buffer overflow overrides. And now we see that that's not being reported in the reports. As you can see, it's pretty easy to override the reports and to send the client information reports that it's not expecting. The ability to handle reports that it's not expecting is one of the conformance tests for a client. So Anvil supports you in making sure your clients are conformant.